हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवियन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ उमेश यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। टुडे we discuss about most important concept of research methodology. Today topic is types of research reports. First type of research report is formal or informal report. Formal reports are carefully structured. They stress objectively and organized, contain much detail, and are written in a style that tends to eliminate such eliminates as personal pronoun. Informal reports are usually short messages with natural, casual use of language. The internal memorandum can generally be described as an informal report. Next report is informative or analytical reports. In under the informational or analytical reports, informational reports, annual report in terms of annual report, monthly financial reports, and report in personal observation carry objective information from one area of organization to others. Analytical reports, scientific research, feasibility reports, and real estate appraisals present attempt to solve the problem. All the reports is the analytical reports. And next type of reports is proposal reports. The proposal is variation of a problem solving reports. A proposal is a document prepared to describe how one organization can meet the need of others. Must government agency advertise their needs by issuing request, request for proposals, specify a needs and potential supplies prepared proposal reports telling how they can meet that needs. Next type of report is lateral reports. This classification refers to direction a report table. Report that move upward or downward the downward referred to as vertical reports. Such reports contribute to management control lateral reports. On the other hand, assist in coordination in the organization. Stop. A report traveling between units of the same organization level is lateral. Next type of report is internal or external report. Internal report travel within the organization. External report such as annual report of companies are prepared for distribution outside the organization. Next type of report is periodic reports. Periodic reports are issued on regularly scheduled dates. They are generally upward directed and serve management control. Pre-printed forms and computer-generated data contribute to uniformity of periodic reports. Next type of reports, as next and last type of report is functional reports. The classification includes accounting report, marketing reports, financial reports, and variety of other reports that take their designation from the ultimate use of the reports. Almost all reports could be included in most of these categories, and a single report could be included in several classifications, although authorities have not agreed on universal report classification. These report categories are in common use and provide a study of reports. Reports are also classified on the basis of their format. As you read the classifications structure described below, bear in mind that it overlaps with the classification pattern described above. Thank you.